Hey guys, I'm here with Paige from Pet Style, and today she will be making me super cute for my graduation shoot. So can you just tell them what you're going to be doing to this hair?
Okay, basically I'll just be installing a closure wig that I handmade for her.
My desired look for my graduation shoot was Michelle Obama's head-turning inauguration hair. After seeing her rock this look, I immediately fell in love with it, and I knew that I had to have a similar do for my graduation shoot. So to achieve this look, my hairstylist used body wave bundles from Amanihair. I'll put all the details down below. And of course, I asked her to add some ombre highlights because I absolutely love having a splash of color to my hair because I feel like it just adds a lot of personality and makes your hair look more vibrant. So I needed to have that in my hair. So right now my hairstylist is applying some got-to-be glue on my edges just to make sure they stay nice and sleek and smooth. After that, she applied the wig to my head, and guys, I cannot express how happy I was because it fit my head perfectly. It wasn't too tight or too loose. It fit my head perfectly. So right now, as you can see, she's just making sure the wig is secured. And so after that, as I looked in the camera, I was like, oh my goodness, I already know this is about to look good. Like, you just know, even before the process is even done, you know when a hairstylist is either gonna kill the look or if it's not gonna be a good day. But yeah, I already knew this was gonna come out so bomb. So I'm so happy for that. As you can see, she's applying the wig glue to the top of my head just to make sure my wig stays super secured. But what is so great about this wig that she made is that it didn't even need to be glued on. It was so secured on my head that it would not budge, it would not move. But just to make sure I was okay, because I just wanted to have an extra security, you know, when you be acting a little party, when you have special events. I was scared that a bird might come and snatch my wig or something would go wrong. So just to ease my anxiety, she glued this on, but she did assure me that even without the glue, my wig would have stayed in place. So as you can see right now, she's unpinning my curls, and I must say this method that she used to create these beautiful curls was on point because ladies, when I tell you my curls did not fall out, I am so serious. No wind, no sun, no nothing could loose out these curls. So I was so happy about that. So her curling method was perfect, and this body wave hair was perfect for maintaining my curls and keeping them on point the entire day. Oh my goodness. So ladies, you need pep styles and you need Amanihair body wave hair, okay? So right now, what she's gonna start doing is just putting her hands through the curls just to add more volume and make my curls look fuller. Amanihair Beauties, let me know if you're team baby hairs or if you're team no baby hairs in the comments. But I am definitely team baby hairs, so of course I definitely wanted them on this look. So as you can see right now, she's giving me some cute baby hairs just to spruce up my look. And I don't know about you, but baby hairs just make wigs look so realistic. Like, please do not underestimate the power of baby hairs because they really have the ability to make that wig look like your real hair girl. So definitely, I'm team baby hair all the way.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look and she made my Michelle Obama dream come true. Like, I'm gonna cry, but yes, I love it. So tell them how they can contact you and all that good stuff.
Okay, you can contact me on Instagram at pepstyles242, or you can message me on Facebook, pepstyles, or you can email me pepstyles242@gmail.com.
So guys, please book an appointment with her today because look at this. I am in love with this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Her information will be down below so you can book your appointment today. So see you next time.